Hello, photography lovers. I just want to show you a few photos taken with Leica M9 and a Voigtlander 21mm. And I want to share these images because at the beginning it was just an experiment. I went the last winter to a place here in the south of Spain called San Pedro de Alcántara, and walking by the sea I take these photos, just as I said, like an experiment to try how this combination Leica M9 and Voigtlander 21 works. And I saw these little kids in the beach playing, and yeah, I take a few photos from them. They were far, and with the 21mm they were even farther because this is a very wide lens. It's so wide that the Leica M9 don't have frame lines for this lens, so you have to guess what is gonna be in the image, and the whole world is gonna be in the image because it's a 21 in a full frame sensor. Then I continue walking around and I saw this couple and I take a few pictures from them. And when I came back home, I saw the results and I found them interesting. In the beginning I thought, well, the good ones are the black and white JPEGs, because I like very much black and white JPEGs in the Leica M9 because have more contrast than in the M8, and it have more like a silver glow. With the color is more complicated, the M9, in my opinion, because you have to work to get the white balance that you like, the colors that you like, because in my experience, usually the M9 don't give you the very nice, warm, old look colors that you can get from a M8. You need to work on them, and it not always work. But now, coming back to these images after some months, I found that also the color ones look nice now that after editing, and they are strange photos, sometimes many things in the frame. The subjects, the kids or this couple are very far. Here is the couple. Two guys, these two things. I don't know. To me it work. They are not for a price or something like that, but they are images that in the beginning was just like an experiment, but they end at least interesting. This is too blue, probably is closer to the real white balance, but I don't like it very much. Too dark, unedited, too dark. Yeah, here are the couple again. Yeah. Here the color one, the DNG. This was a woman in a wheelchair speaking with a telephone, and at the end the result is also interesting in my opinion. I don't know, what do you think? She's there in the middle, all the lines pointing through her, and the sea in the bottom, alone. So it was this kind of picture that you can't escape from taking it. Well, I hope you're okay. All the best, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.